Like finding a diamond, 16-million-year-old fossil of elusive ant stuns scientists. It's like discovering a gem. A 16-million-year-old fossil of a rare ant amazes researchers. A remarkable fossil encased in Dominican amber reveals a tiny, ancient species of dirt ant that once thrived in the Caribbean. While ants are ubiquitous in soil-rich environments, one particular group has become so adept at blending into their surroundings that they are known as dirt ants, Basiceros. A recently discovered fossil sheds light on the extensive range these elusive ants once inhabited. In a groundbreaking study published in the Proceedings of the Royal Society B, scientists from the New Jersey Institute of Technology, NJIT, have documented the first fossilized Basiceros dirt ant found in the Caribbean. This specimen, an adult worker, has been preserved in amber that is 16 million years old, sourced from the Dominican Republic. A discovery that expands our understanding of Basiceros. Researchers have identified the fossilized adult worker ant as a new species named Basiceros enana, which is notably smaller than its contemporary relatives. This finding serves as direct evidence that this secretive lineage of ants once inhabited the Caribbean islands, but eventually vanished from the area during the Miocene epoch, which lasted from 23 to 5.3 million years ago. Finding dirt ants in the wild is quite rare. Discovering one today is thrilling due to their exceptional ability to remain hidden, but finding one preserved in amber is akin to uncovering a diamond, remarked Gianpiero Fiorentino, the lead author of the study and a PhD candidate at NJIT's Baden lab. This fossil is uniquely different from all its modern relatives and significantly alters our understanding of Basiceros' evolutionary history. Historically, Basiceros ants have only been documented in neotropical rainforests, stretching from Costa Rica to southern Brazil, where they are known for their remarkable camouflage, which involves dirt binding hairs on their bodies. With 9 known living species in this genus, this unexpected fossil discovery raises new questions about how these ants came to occupy their current geographical range. Typically, lineages exhibit what seem to be straightforward biogeographic histories. If you find a group of animals that currently inhabit only South America up to Costa Rica, you wouldn't expect their early ancestors to have lived in the Caribbean, explained Phil Barden, the senior author of the paper and an associate professor of biology at NJIT. This fossil highlights how the distribution of living species can obscure the intricate evolutionary history of life on Earth. Advanced imaging techniques uncover new insights. To delve into this previously uncharted aspect of Basiceros' history, researchers employed high-resolution imaging and 3D reconstruction techniques at NJIT and the Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology Graduate University in Japan to closely analyze Basiceros enana. Utilizing micro-CT scanning significantly enhanced this study, allowing us to observe features that would have been nearly impossible to detect otherwise, Fiorentino noted. The research team examined the fossil's physical characteristics and compared them with those of all known dirt ant species. They also conducted molecular dating to place it within the ant's evolutionary timeline. Amber preserves entire organisms in 3 dimensions, enabling us to extract a wealth of data from even a minuscule ant. Barden elaborated, an artistic representation of Basiceros enana, preserved in Dominican amber from CT scan data, reveals specialized hairs used for collecting dirt, highlighted in yellow on the ant's legs and head. Credit Gianpiero Fiorentino, NJIT. Measuring just 5.13 millimeters in length, Basiceros enana is considerably smaller than its modern relatives, some of which can reach nearly 9 millimeters. This makes it the smallest known member of its genus to date. Our findings indicate that the increase in size of these ants occurred relatively quickly, Fiorentino explained. They nearly doubled in size over a span of 20 million years. Previous theories suggested that these ants were originally larger and shrank over time, so this discovery challenges that notion and underscores the significance of fossils in understanding the evolution of a lineage. Ancient adaptations for survival. Interestingly, Basiceros enana also exhibits some of the same adaptations that render modern dirt ants nearly invisible to both predators and prey in their habitats, an ability referred to as crypsis. These adaptations include 2 layers of specialized hairs, or setae, that help adhere soil and leaf litter particles to their bodies, longer erect brush hairs, and shorter, oppressed, holding hairs that trap particles against their exoskeleton or cuticle. This indicates that the strategies of playing dead and hiding have been effective for a long time, Fiorentino stated. Discovering such a unique fossil aids our understanding of how long organisms may have been utilizing this survival tactic. Although the presence of these traits does not necessarily confirm that they behaved in this manner, the fossilized ant also displays other distinctive morphological traits, similar to those of contemporary dirt ants, including an upturned propodial spine, a trapezoidal head structure, and predatory features, such as mandibles equipped with 12 triangular teeth. The mystery of their extinction. Despite these specialized adaptations, the ancient Caribbean dirt ants ultimately disappeared from the region due to significant ecological shifts during the Miocene. The existence of Basiceros and Dominican amber suggests that ancient land bridges may have allowed these ants to migrate from the mainland to the Caribbean, Barden noted. This fossil represents a piece of a larger puzzle that will help us comprehend why certain groups of organisms face extinction while others endure for millions of years. Their extinction could be attributed to a loss of available niches or competition with other species. These ants are predators, and we observe a general trend of declining predator ant diversity in the Caribbean, Fiorentino added. Since the formation of Dominican amber, over a third of ant genera have gone extinct on the island of present-day Dominican Republic. Understanding the factors that have driven this pattern of local extinction is vital for addressing modern human-induced extinction and safeguarding biodiversity. Reference: a fossil-informed pattern of body size increase and local extinction in Basiceros dirt ants, Hymenoptera formicidae, by Gianpiero Fiorentino, Rodolfo Probst, Adrian Richter, Evan P. Economo, and Philip Barden, April 16, 2025. Proceedings B. DOI 10.1098/RSPB.2024.2171. Stay updated. Never miss a breakthrough. Join the SciTech Daily newsletter.